2020 is among us, and distilling at home has never been easier. In fact, becoming a home moonshiner is as easy as buying a still and brewing some beer. The separations of alcohol from water, utilizing different boiling points, is a remarkable yet primitive process. This time-honored tradition has been kept in the dark for too long. Stop drinking the name brands and make your own name brand. With distillingAccessories.com, you can find all of the products you need to master your craft in hobby distillation.